programs. So these all data basically are getting processed. So how to process basically that basically we have already solved. So this is the best real example basically of the real time. So one person actually asked the question basically, why basically this is created? Without any reason basically nobody creates it. Why so much expense basically are done in the this whole technology? Because superpower computer basically might be costing how much basically? It might be costing 95 lakh crore dollar or pound basically. It might be that much amount basically. So how much? Why basically the people are doing expense basically too much to this data basically? So here one person told that there might be some reason here basically. Without any reason basically they don't process basically. That also basically they are doing this type of thing basically. That but here one person told that this concept basically has implemented by any of the group basically, but that is not possible because this concept basically nobody knows basically. But here one person told that human souls data basically, the master basically in human souls data basically are Indian group basically. So one person told the Indian prime minister and president data basically 100% might be processed in this way basically. So here one person, that means basically the superpower computer basically who is having the data, they might be giving the data to India basically. So that possibilities are basically there basically. But then also basically one person told up to 100% data basically they might not be giving basically because few data are basic critical basically. So in the next video basically we are going to see.